Hello guys, today we will learn some basic ArcGIS functions. Firstly, I am going to show you how to simply export the shapefile of a study area without any alien features. To do that, we need to simply first add data. You can choose your shapefile in your from add data option, and to choose any, if you want to choose your district or province or municipality, simply right click on local unit, go to open attributes table, select the area you want to extract. I am going to select Butwal. Now close it. You can see it has been selected. Now simply to export this file, right click, data, export data. You can choose the location where you want to save the file and rename it. I'm just going with the default. Now we can uncheck the local unit. Here it is. Now I'll simply show you how to export extract the data or area file with by mask if there is some other base layers. Example, it can be of any Landsat image or land cover map with the raster data in it. Now select the data you want to fill in it. You go to add data. Here I am selecting the Landsat data which I want to use. I want the Landsat data for the Butwal area, so I am selecting the band 1 to 7. Now if you want to extract this data, you can, for Landsat you can make them composite by going on image analysis, select 1 to 7, composite image. Now we can uncheck this. Now to extract this shape area with its Landsat features or raster data, go to search, extract mask, the extract by mask, input raster, now in input raster feature mask, select the export output is the shape file of our area. Now simply click on OK. You can select the area where you want to location where you want to get the output. Now click OK. Now you can see it is done. Now you can uncheck this and this. You can see we have extracted the state area with the raster values. Now if you want to present this data somewhere, not only Landsat but any features, if you have included the area map with some zones, or if there is a protected area or industrial area, if you have extracted the raster areas, raster data of your choice, then if you want to present it, simply click on layout view. You can see the value legend RGB because it's a Landsat image. We have got the legend of band image. Now to export this, you can simply go to file, export map, and you can simply save it in any format. It's PDF, JPG, TIFF. It's the resolution. You can increase it of your choice. That's the result guide. You can simply view the result after saving, opening it in the saved location. Thank you guys for your listening.